NANATHESAUCYCHEF. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Saucy in the kitchen, who wanna eat? It's about to go down, you can have a seat. She can't be duplicated, don't hold your breath. Let's get to cooking with Nana the Saucy Chef.
Y'all hungry yet?
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making slow cooker red beans and rice. The ingredients that we're going to need today are chicken broth, red beans, bay leaves, creole seasoning, kielbasa, scallions, celery, onion, and garlic cloves. I have all my ingredients measured out. I have 6 cups of chicken broth, 1 12-ounce package of beef kielbasa and is cut into pieces, 1 celery rib chopped, 1 onion diced, 3 bay leaves. I have scallions, that's for garnish at the end, and I'm only using the green part. 1 tablespoon of Tony Chachere's creole seasoning, 3 large garlic cloves minced, and you want a 1-pound bag of red beans, and I'm using the small red beans. The first thing we're going to do is empty our red beans onto a plate. We're going to sort through our red beans, and you want to discard of any broken beans, and also if there's any pebbles or rocks. Once you're done, you want to put your beans into a pot of water, and we're going to let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, you want to let them boil for 10 minutes. Once your beans are done boiling, you can go ahead and drain the water from them. Okay, once you've drained your beans, you can go ahead and place them inside of your slow cooker. Next, you want to add in your onion, your celery, your beef kielbasa, your minced garlic, and I'm going to sprinkle in my creole seasoning. I'm also going to place my bay leaves in. Now we're going to add in our 6 cups of chicken broth. Now I'm just going to take my spoon and go in and mix everything until it's well combined. Now you can place your lid over top, and we're going to put it on high for 6 hours. Okay guys, our beans are now done, so I'm just going to go in and stir them. You can see it from all the steam. Okay guys, we're going to remove our bay leaves. These smell amazing. So to thicken up our broth in here, I'm just going to remove some of the beans, and I will show you. And I'm just going to crush them and then place them back into our slow cooker. Okay guys, as you can see, I have some of my beans in a bowl. I just want to mash them down. And we're going to put them back into our slow cooker. Once you put them back in, just go ahead and give your beans a good mix. Okay guys, as you can see, our broth thickened up. So I'm waiting on my white rice to get done now, and then we're going to plate it. Okay guys, as you can see, my white rice is done. Look how delicious that looks. So now you can go ahead and get some scallions if you would like. Just put some over top, just for a little pop of color. And there you have it. Okay guys, this is our slow cooker red beans and rice. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back, please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef. Y'all hungry yet?
Thank you for following.